Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. I'm on the road traveling again this week. I am in South Carolina. I'm in Greenville, South Carolina right now. I just checked into the Marriott. It's not too bad of a room. It gets the job done. Definitely not the nicest room that I've stayed in, but it's not too bad. It doesn't trump the Sonesta room that you guys saw a month ago in Nashville. It's not that nice, but like I said, it gets the job done. What the room does have, though, it does have the nicest view. So I'll show you guys that. I'll show you the view, what I'm looking at. Definitely by far the nicest view since I've been showing these videos and been on the road traveling lately. So I'll show you guys the room, the main entrance, the bathroom, bed, TV, all the features and stuff within the room. So I'll see you guys here in this next clip, and I'll feature the room that I'm staying in. This is the main area. This is where the bed is and TV and all that stuff. It's a pretty small room. Right when you get into the door and make an immediate right, this is where the bathroom area is. You got the sink here, some granite, common toiletries. And under here, you got the wastebasket, towels, blow dryer. Housekeeping did a pretty good job in this room. Looks like nice and orderly and neat. Then right here's the bathroom. You got basic tile in here, toilet, and just a basic step-in shower. Got tile throughout. Dual shower head, look at that. A light in there. There's more towels in here on the shower rack here. Alright, now coming out of the bathroom, the counter's on my left-hand side now. Oh, it looks like they got one of those makeup mirrors for all those ladies out there. I know those are nice for you guys to get ready, pluck your eyebrows, and do all your makeup, mascara, all that good stuff. Then to the right here, we have a closet. Let's see what's in this closet. Basic closet with an iron board, hangers. Put your luggage in there. I'm gonna make a right. So here's the main room. Got dual nightstands with some dual lighting over here. No USBs or anything, just basic plugs. Got a nightstand here, a drawer. This is the bed. It's a pretty basic room, gets the job done. Nothing fancy, flashy or anything. Then over there you got another nightstand with the alarm clock, phone, and another light. And in the corner here you got another chair with a light. Put your feet up over here. And then you got a desk with an office chair, another light over there. And then you got like a little Keurig, little mini Keurig machine. And then over here you got your coffee cups, your stirs, your coffee, your cream, your sugar. So it's pretty cool looking setup there. And a nice elegant box. Got a trash can over here, dual trash can in the corner for recyclables and regular trash. And over here we got the flat screen TV. It looks like it swivels so you can move it around, see it from different viewing angles. And on the side here, this is pretty cool. Looks like you got some different inputs. So you can plug in different things, like you can plug in VGA to a laptop going to the TV if you want to show your computer on the TV. And then you got HDMI over here as well. So it's a pretty cool little feature on the side here. You can hook up your computer or a device that's got VGA or HDMI, hook it straight up to the computer and show off what you want to display on the TV. And over here you got 4 more plugs to plug things in. So this is a pretty cool feature on the side of the TV. You got 4 plugs, and then you got some inputs over here. You got VGA, HDMI, so you can use that for any device that has HDMI or VGA going straight from that device to the TV, so you can show off whatever you want on the TV. So that's a pretty cool little feature there. You can binge in this room off of Netflix, so it's got Netflix, YouTube, and a couple other of those streaming services, so that's pretty cool. You can watch your TV shows and catch up on all your binging while you're staying here in Greenville, South Carolina. And in the front of here, let's see, we got some doors here. See if these are real or fake. And they are real. And we got on the left side, we got a safe, and then looks like just some drawers, some clothes, 2 basic drawers right here. And then let's see what we got here on the right side. Oh, it's a mini fridge. Got a black mini fridge. Open it up, see the size of this inside of it. It's actually pretty big. Got the door there, put some drinks in. And then here's the main area of the fridge, and it's a good sized fridge for a hotel. We're walking over here on the other side of the bed. I already featured this other nightstand with the phone and alarm clock. We got this like random table here. Looks like it's supposed to go out on the balcony, but we have no balcony. They got just a regular thermostat over here to control the temperature of the room. And then the best part about this room is this view. I got a pool view room, so that's pretty cool. So I dimmed the lights, guys, to show you the view. This is the best part of the room. Got a pool view, so we got outside pool here in South Carolina. There's some different areas to hang out. There's a bunch of lounge chairs over here straight ahead to tan and everything. And then to the right a little bit, looks like there's a gazebo area with some cushion seating. And then to the left, there's a cluster of chairs with cushion seating as well. It's hard to see right now as it's dark. Looks like there's a good amount of seating outside here to enjoy the sun though, so you're not too crowded, and next to everybody there's different sections. So this is what the outside pool looks like here in South Carolina. I'm not sure if it's heated or not. We're not like in deep south, but we're not in the north, so not sure what the water temperature is for that pool right now. But this is what it looks like. It looks pretty nice, looks nice and clean, and like I said, there's a good amount of seating areas for you guys to enjoy the sun if you guys ever want to be here and visit. All right guys, so that's a wrap. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the room tour I just showed, all the features I just showed that the room had, and I told you that view was good. It's not bad at all. It's the best view I've had since I've been traveling. In Nashville I had a parking lot and a roof, and this one's definitely a lot better. It's got the pool view, so hopefully everybody enjoyed that. I'm gonna enjoy it. I wish there was a balcony, but there isn't. So but it's a nice view to look at, and it'll probably be even prettier in the morning when I wake up. So hopefully everybody enjoyed the video and is enjoying these videos that I'm featuring when I'm traveling, all the rooms I'm at. Hopefully it's helpful. If anybody has any questions about the rooms I'm staying at, as far as like location, pricing, any amenities in the common areas, feel free to comment below, and I'll do the best of my ability to answer them. And I'll be featuring another room here coming up in the next couple weeks. I'll be traveling to another destination here in the next week or so, so stay tuned for that, and I'll show you guys that room once I get to that destination. And just stay tuned to our family channel, guys. I'll be getting back to my crazy wonderful family here in the next couple days. We'll be sure to keep featuring everything we're doing as a family, as far as the challenges, outside events, just seeing the kids grow, just interacting with them, doing as much as we can with them. Hopefully everybody's enjoying the content that we've been doing with the kids, with the walks and the parks and stuff like that. So we try to keep it fresh and try and do as much as we can with the family, and hopefully everybody's enjoying our content. And please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time.